What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sir Q, and boy, have I got some news for you. This just in. This is a SOS Sounds of Sir Q moment. It's been brought to my attention by my sources that it appears that President Joe Biden has decided to step down for running for president for the next election. This information just came to me, and let me just read to you exactly what it states. This is coming from President Joe Biden. I have decided not to accept the nomination and to focus all my energies on my duties as president for the remainder of my term. Biden says this on X. My very first decision as the party nominee in 2020 was to pick Kamala Harris as my vice president, and it's been the best decision I've made. Offer my full support and endorsement for Kamala to be the nominee of our party this year. Democrats, it's time to come together and beat Trump. Wow, this is big, and I do mean big. But I want to know exactly what do you guys have to say about this. Make sure you put your comments because I am definitely wanting to know what it is that you guys are thinking. Thank you so much for tuning in. This has been another moment, a SOS moment of Sounds of Sir Q. For more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.